So I'll start with the front spar. Just measure that it's equal on both sides. Before I glued in the fiberglass spars, I made these small jigs out of plywood. These two pieces are identical, so I will just temporarily glue one on each wing so that I can use these as sights and line everything up and twist the wings if necessary to get them perfectly straight. So I'm gluing them 10 centimeters from the tip. So now I can line up the two sides and check that the wing is perfectly straight. And if necessary, I can just manipulate them and get them straight. It's a twist. I'm of course doing this while the glue is still wet. Yeah, now the wing is perfectly straight, so I'll just let it harden. So before I can install these vertical stabilizers again, I need to cut notches for the spars. So there's 3 spars on the top and 3 spars on the bottom. I'll try to use this hole puncher to make the notches to see if it works. I'm not sure if it's strong enough, but I'll give it a try. So now I got both my vertical stabilizers dry fitted. I'm considering whether to glue this in now after I run the servo cables, or whether to wait until I've laminated the whole plane and then cut into the laminate to install this. I'm not sure there's any point in laminating them first, because the laminate will be cut here either way, so I haven't haven't decided yet, but I will probably glue these in before I laminate. So to position the servo, I first measure the outer wing, that's 41 centimeter. I'll divide that by 2, and that's 20.5 centimeters. Just made a mark there. And that's the line where the servo arm will be. Also, I want the servo to be parallel with this line here. So now I'll make the cut all the way through. So now I will remove some material from the top. It's the same as the thickness of the servo. Like so. So I flipped the wing over to glue in this piece. That's hot. Now I'm making an extra cavity just for the ferroid ring for noise reduction, because I don't want any servo jitter. Good. And I just cover the whole servo in hot glue. And just drag off the excess. So I want this wire to dip under the one of the fiberglass bars. I'll take my soldering iron and I'm going to melt underneath this bar. So now I can wrap the ferroid ring. I can use a rather small ring because I don't have any plug on. So now I just need to cover up this hole. So I'm just using a scrap from where I placed the servo. So this is where I will have my flight controller, so I know what length of wire I need. So I can run the wire through the tunnel and start soldering. When I install the motor mount, I will have to cut the laminate, so I want extra good adhesion for the laminate just around this area. So I'm laying down some hot glue. Try not to go crazy with it because hot glue is quite heavy stuff. But if the laminate sticks really well in this area, it will give extra strength. I'm also doing the same around the vertical stabilizers. So when I've completed this, the plane will be ready for laminating.